So now let's come to the main topic, the topic you want to listen. Yeah. So if you want to, hang out with a girl or date your girl, or go to the party, whatever it is, or make friendship, whatever it is, uh, you could either use Bumble. Yeah. So most of the New York guys use Bumble to connect with the girls or best friends going to be. Um, Bumble works pretty well in New York. It may not work in other cities, especially in India, where if you know the dating apps just exist for sake of existing, but it doesn't add any real volume. But in New York City, Bumble add volume in your life. Yeah. So you could create your profile, you could write some sexy words about yourself, and then create the sexy profile that you want to create, and then yeah, so swipe until you found the right match and talk to the girl. Yeah, so the girl, most of the New York girls, they don't have time. Yeah, either they're studying at institute like NYU or Columbia, or they're working at firm like Bank of America or JP Morgan. Yeah, so they don't have much time. So no bullshit around. Straight to the point. Then you could invite to the cafe or to the Central Park, or even to pub. Yeah, you could meet at a cafe. Yeah, don't be in a rush. uh, Try to meet at a cafe or at Times Square for boating. Yeah, so you could meet for these kind of stuff, and you could have a nice conversation. Don't be an asshole. So once you done with nice conversation, once get some familiarity with the girl, and girls also needs to get some insights about yourself. The girl shouldn't think that you're an asshole. So once everything is done, once the intro is done, you could exchange your numbers and talk for some time, come back, talk for some time, get to know each other better, and then next step is you could invite the girl to your apartment for party. Yeah, not to hook up. Yeah, for the party. Then you'll get to know each other better. You could understand. Then you could date for some time. You could do whatever shit you want to do. You could go to pubs. You could go to Chicago. You could go to Miami. You could go to Los Angeles. Explore the city. Explore the life. Maybe you like each other. Either like each other, you get married. Yeah. So that's how it works in New York City. I mean, the dating life works like this. Um, the girls are pretty much mature because they are the girls. The girls coming from rich families. They are not coming from middle class or poor families. So they are loaded most likely because New York is fucking expensive. So it filter out all the people who can't afford the city. Yeah. So you have some exclusive system of exclusive group of girls from across the globe. uh, yeah, so this is one way to meet this exclusive girls who who doesn't ghost on you. Yeah, so this is one way to find the girls. Other way is if you're staying near to the institute like Columbia University, the girls are going to be your roommates. Yeah, of course you're not going to share the room with the girls, but they're going to stay in the same apartment where you are going to reside. So that's how you could meet some interesting girls, and these girls gonna bring other girls. You could make friendships. Of course, if you're you know joining any community groups like Indian community groups of Columbia University or NYU. Yeah, so there you could meet girls. You could invite them for some Indian meetups, or whichever country you belong, you could invite them for meetups. So that's how you could get close to the girls. Rest is going to be same. Yeah, cool. So hope you got some insights about how to meet girls. If you stick this far, why don't you put a like, subscribe, and comment on. Thank you.
I got some